All right, guys. We look out for each other. We got to trust his game reviews. I am a tall guy, as you can see. Pretty big guy, 240 pounds, 239 pounds, something like that. I see I'm tall. I can reach my ceiling. Like, I'm pretty tall. Right? 6'3", 239 pounds. This is the chair right here. Okay. Set up in my living room right now. It's me sitting in my chair. Hope you guys can see that my neck. Only thing I say bad about it is like my neck. I have to keep pulling this up. It's not like it can't go up higher. I'm tall. We're over the chair. But other than that, pretty comfortable, guys. Set up pretty good. Back support. It does have the lumbar support, and it does do the massage. But other than that, nice armrest. Improvements, real quick, make the video real quick. I wish that it was cooled seats. I wish that the pillow back here was thicker. And I wish that the footstool, this footstool right here, flip that out. That footstool right here. See that? How I'm tall? It's not really, I don't know if I'm doing it right. But it's not really supporting me like that. It's not long enough. But yeah, 6'3". 239 pounds, something like that. I do recommend this chair for people that is a little bit heavier than me, maybe 265. Don't push it past that. But if you're on the 300 plus side, no, I recommend this chair for you. It will sink faster. But that's pretty much all I got.